break. He played many games on his tablet, but after a while, his eyes got tired. I need to do something else, he thought. Then he had an idea. I can paint. I'll use the colors and shapes from my games. Honeypaw started painting. At first, it was a little hard, but soon he got better. Painting is so much fun, he said. He loved using bright colors and cool shapes. Honeypaw found out he could mix colors to make new ones. Red and white make pink. Blue and yellow make green, he said happily. He kept mixing and making new colors. In the end, Honeypaw painted flowers, trees, the sky, and the sun. Wow! My painting looks amazing, he said. Honeypaw decided that painting was even more fun than playing games. From then on, he painted whenever he had free time.